second year students. So now I will share stage with them. So they will tell about what is market Maestro, and thereafter we will have the participants. All the participants will come and give their presentation one by one. So yeah, what's your name? Ashish. Ashish.
So good evening everyone. My name is Ashish. So we are going to start the Market Master event. So in this event, the participants are given a topic, that is AR Augmented Reality module. So through it, they will be creating the presentation for it, and the marketing or strategy they will be following, and basically the VR headset or the AR headset thing that they will be creating the marketing strategy for it, and the presentation will be judged over the presentation style, the specialized thing they are including for the AR headset, and so on. Thank you.
Okay, so who is the first participant?
Visualize the light.
Okay, you take between 5 to 10 minutes. So max 5 minutes is minimum and for 10 minutes is max.
Every in a while, a product comes in the market that changes the world. Here, we are to change the world again. Watches are good, but smartphones changed them. Glasses, they rule the world, but now it's time of digital tech to take over. We are not building just a product to overtake the market. We are building a product to rule the market. We are elite, Vision X Elite, the next market building industry. What are the problems that actually exists in the market? Smartwatches, they are good, but they lack comfort, and mostly they don't give you a real world experience. The AR headsets, they are bulky, let's be honest. Who wants to look like a robot in this world where everything needs to be fashionable? And to be honest, AR headsets do not look like a luxury. We humans need luxury in everything. We want luxury to happen even in the shoes we wear, even in socks. But these AR headsets that exist in this world are not yet enough to make us look like humans. What are we then? Why are we investing time into this? Because the watches and the AR headset industry is booming. Why is this industry booming? What's the need for this? Because the industry leaders want a device that can make them interact with the world and yet keep connected to everything. Smartwatches track your health, but we can track your stress, the relief you are getting, your emotions and everything by tracking your eyes. Your glasses existing, the fitness glasses like Google glasses, they are good but not yet completed. We are better than Google in tech. We are more comfortable than Meta, and we give luxury more than Ray-Ban. What's the technology that we use? Let's play the guessing game that what we are. A tech brand, check your vocabs. We are a headset builders. You guys seriously need a dictionary. We are a revolution. Some smart people in this world still living. What we usually do, we don't take pieces and merge them into something to make a tech that can give you real world experience and augmented reality into it. We want the cutting edge technology. We don't use LEDs that can strain your eyes. We use micro LEDs with crystal clear vision that cannot strain your eye but give you the crystal vision with the word augmented into it. We give advanced sensor unlike the apples that can give you stress at night. We have a AI power assistant, your personal Jarvis. Let's be truthful. Every time we see Avengers movie, we wonder, what if I could have a Iron Man suit that can be my assistant too? But Jarvis has a lot of attitude, we know. But our AI assistant doesn't have much of it in it. This can be friendly to you, and the wireless charging, unlike again some of the market leaders, can give you more comfort than that exists in the market. The advantages. What are these advantages? The sportsman, they need it. The common gamers, they must have it. And the businessman, they cannot have a bet without having it. What are we giving you? The elegant design to make everyone wear it easy. The seamless integration between the real world and a techie thing, that you don't have to bend your neck always to look into a screen to know what's going around in this world. And the extended functionality, everything in front of your eyes, literally everything that can exist on a phone screen, and maybe better than this. We know that processor factories are going mad making the processor chips and everything go to the sky taking performance, and we compete with them. We make everything come directly to your eyes, not to your screen. What are its real world applications? If you are still imagining what is this need in this real world, then take a breath and ask yourself how many times you wanted to see your phone but your hands were occupied so you couldn't. How many times your glasses were foggy and you still wanted to see the world and you still couldn't. If you still cannot understand the real world experience of this, then you must take a limited offer trial of our product just after this. We can give you health and fitness tracking without even looking at your small screen tied to the hand that looks not less than something tied as a bracelet with a heavy piece of tech chips and everything. We'll give you communication, the hands-free communication. Let's be honest, the 1980s hands-free communications were invented and it's 2025 and we still have to press the button in our smartphone to go into this hands-free communication mode. The question arises why the TWS exists, the neckbands and everything the smart glasses exist, but are they effective? We still have to connect with a device kept in our pocket to get into that mode. We eliminate this handy thing. We give you directly to the eyes. We give you power. We don't give you power to rule the earth. We give you power to rule yourself. Become the best of you just by applying something to your eyes. We all know eyes depict emotions. We all know. We all know eyes depict emotions, and the reason I'm repeating is we ignore this fact. Most tech brands should acknowledge your eyes considering your emotions and everything. We take this into consideration and we increase your productivity. The one thing this entire human race runs after, the one thing this entire human race wants to happen. The design and customization. Let's come to the final part that we all are interested about. The design. Do I want to wear something that is boxy, that doesn't look good on me, that makes my face look more bulkier, more like a robot or a cyborg or a hyboid? No, because of course I am human and I want to look like a human, and that's where our design teams comes in. We make the design more human. We make it personalized and with exclusive collections. And this is the market opportunity. The AR headset category rising up to a 90 billion US dollars estimated by 2030, and by 2023 just below 80.
Slowly. After 1 minute, we will stop. So you have to finish within 1 minute.
And this is the call to action. How you smart people can get this into your homes? It's just simple. You just have to pre-order the limited edition Vision X Lite. It is limited edition because we don't sell it to everyone who wants to look fashionable. We want to sell it to people who are productive. Second, you can visit the website, and thirdly, you can follow us for your next thing. And it was it. And thank you. This was Sastush Acharya. Thank you all for making yourself smart listening to me.
Please carry on. Thank you. Next. Okay, who is next?
My name is Sukalpana.
Let it start.
Good evening, sir. My name is Sukalpana. Sir, ଆଜିକା ଦୁନିଆରେ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ୱାଚ୍, ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ଟିଭି ଏବଂ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ଫୋନ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଥିବେ। ବଟ୍ ଆମ ପ୍ରଡ଼କ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ଏୟାର ହେଡ଼୍। ଏୟାର ହେଡ଼୍ ଯାହାକି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଡେଲି ଟୁ ଡେଲି ଲାଇଫରେ ବହୁତ ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ରହିଛି। ଯେମିତିକି ଆପଣ ଏହାଦ୍ୱାରା ଆପଣ ଗେମିଂ ଏବଂ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରେ ସର୍ଜରୀ ଏବଂ 3D ଭର୍ଚୁଆଲି ଯେସବୁ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରିହେବ ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକ କରିହେବ। सर मार्केटिंगटा हूँ आप डेली लाइफ में जोटा एसेंशियल प्रोडक्ट जोटा कि यूज हो पार से प्रोडक्ट गुड़ा को आम जब आप शुरू कर पहुँच पार से मार्केटिंग करें एयर हेड जो आम तैयार कर प्रोडक्टी सेटा मार्केट जो सब एयर हेड अच्छी जमीक एप्पल सर एप्पल विजन प्रो रही मेटा कंपानी रही मेटा क्वेस्ट प्रो और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हॉल रही किंतु सर आम जो आपन को एयर हेड दरकार अच्छे आम भावुँ एज आप इन्वेस्टर आम चाहूँ आप इनभेस्ट करूँ कारण यहाँ आम चीप रेट देवु कारण जोड़ा मार्केट अच्छी जो एयर हेड गुड़ा से एप्पल मेटा और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट जार प्राइस बहुत अधिक जहाँकि आप जानते $1000 ରୁ $1500 भितर वेरी कर बट आम से कस्टमर को टार्गेट करने चाहूँ जे लो प्राइस रे ये प्रोडक्ट यूज कर ये प्रोडक्ट को कौन यूज करते प्रायतः यंग जेनेरेशन मैंने कौन करती सोशल मीडिया एवं यूट्यूब इंस्टाग्राम बहुत एक्टिव था तो आम मार्केटिंग स्ट्राटेजी को इंस्टाग्राम आउ यूट्यूब रे फोकस करवा चाहूँ कारण इंडियन सोसाइटी जो यंग जेनेरेशन एप्पल मेटा और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट प्रोडक्ट को एफोर्डेबल प्राइस रे एफोर्ड कर पारिबनी एवं से आम इंडिया जो लो इनकम करुवा लोक टार्गेट कर भावुँ इंडिया मैन्युफैक्चर न करके चाइना मैन्युफैक्चर करें बिकज चाइना टैक्स जिनस बहुत इजिली अवेलेबल हो जाए जेहेतु इंडिया गोटे टैक्स कंपनी जब आप एस्टाब्लिशमेंट करेंगे आपन को तार रॉ मटेरियल एवं प्रोडक्ट गुड़ाक मिल पार इजिली कारण इंडिया से प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंट जगह रोचे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कस्ट बहुत ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कष्ट एवं कस्ट भी बहुत हाई थाए बट एज आप जानते हैं चाइना यार उल्टा थाए कारण ट्रांसपोर्टेशन बहुत ऊपर लेवल एवं जो प्रोडक्ट रही कारण कम प्राइस कारण वर्क फोर्स जो रही से बहुत चीप लेवल पोस्ट करते काम आम भावुँ मैंने इंडिया खाली एसेंबली लाइन सेटअप करें एसेंबली लाइन सेटअप कला से प्रोडक्ट आस एसेंबली हम इंडिया जहाँफल कि आमको टैक्स बेनिफिशियल मिल कारण अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन गवर्नमेंट तो टैक्स जो बाहर जो जिनस आसे अधिक टैक्स पड़े कि जब आप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडिया नक आप एसेंबली लाइन भी इंडिया सेटअप करते आपको टैक्स बहुत छुट मिले तो आम सेटा चाहूँ जे चाइना खाली प्रडक्ट को आणिकी इंडिया एसेंबली कलापर सेल कर आम यहाँ साधारणतः इ कमर्स ही बिकू कारण आप गोटे ऑफलाइन स्टोर को सप्लाय करेंगे तो आप सप्लाय बहुत हम एज आम फास्ट आम लंच करूँ तो आम पाखे एत पैसा भी नहीं कि आम सब दुकान में एवेलेबल कर ऑनलाइन इ कमर्स को देले से जो यार कस्टमर रही है इ कमर्स को डायरेक्ट ऑर्डर करेंगे जहाँफल कि कौन हम कि प्रडक्ट भी सेल हम आ कम क्वांटिटी आम पाखे थी आउ लोक पत्र ही से पहुँचो ये स्टोर हो रही आम भावी कि प्रथम यार प्राइस टे हाई रखू एज कम्पेयर टू अलग कंपानी लो कितु टे अधिक प्राइस कारण प्रथम जेहेतु आम कंपानीटा तैयारी कर प्रॉफिट मार्जिन टे अधिक रही आम एम्प्लॉय मान सैलरी कि जो आम लोन कर सुझिपार जिते आम प्रोडक्शन लाइन भलसे काम कर आम प्राइसिंग लो कर प्राइसिंग लो कले कौन हम ना सेलिंग अधिक कौन प्रॉफिट अधिक जेनेट हो प्रॉफिट अधिक जेनेट है आम कंपानी प्रोडक्शन लाइन भी ये सेटअप कर प्रोडक्शन भी हाई कर एको आम कन्स्टांटली रिव्यू करूँ कारण जदि रिव्यू न करेंगे आप मार्केटिंग स्ट्राटेजी तो आप प्रडक्ट मार्केट तिष्टि पारे ना कारण आपको भी भल प्रडक्ट किए तैयारी कर रिव्यू को जब फोकस न करेंगे ताने आप मार्केट सस्टेन कर तो आम एक कन्स्टांटली रिव्यू कर एक टाइम देवा पड़ो कारण जब आम इन्वेस्टर एज आप इन्वेस्ट कर आम एक 2 दिन आप पैसा आणमु तापर काम करूँ 2 दिन पर आम कौन पैसा थोड़ी काम करें सेमती आम करें आम एक कन्स्टांटली टाइम देवा और फोकस देवा जहाँफल आम प्रडक्ट सक्सेसफुल हो थैंक यू सर
You go to this last slide. This slide is complete. Last slide of last one. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Please start with your introduction and then thereafter, or at the end also you can. Click on download also. Yes. Yeah. No, let it be like that. Okay.
Imagine a future where doctors have supervision. Healthcare is a sector that is always in demand. It will never go away. With the rise of increased population, and even if a population, even if the population has decreased, healthcare is a requirement that has increasing significance every day. So, and a major part of this increasing demand are surgeries. Why do we need surgeries? Because of our years-long research into healthcare on biodiversity, animals, human healthcare, we have found lots of solutions to problems that we earlier thought were incurable. They are now curable with surgeries. Orthopedic surgeries, neurosurgeries, there are various kinds of surgeries. So imagine a future where a doctor is able to conduct a surgery without him thinking ever about committing a mistake or minimizing the risk of mistake. There we have a product, augmented surgery, an augmented reality solution to reality solution to surgery. In medical terms, augmented reality is called optical see-through head-mounted devices. What are the overviews of the thing that we are trying to build? With the rise of image recognition, OpenCV, other forms of image recognition, text recognition, and vision processing, with the rise of AI and data analysis, customized medical solutions are possible for every person. Like ChatGPT responds to you based on only your question. AI model fed with the data can respond to the specific demands of every respond to the specific demands of every patient. AI model can respond to the specific demands of every patient in a personalized way, which a doctor cannot do in a massive situation due to the massive deficit in doctors per population base. So, where do we have a solution? It's possible to have a customized solution to the problems of each patient. How? Like we have customized solution on our phones, ChatGPT, Gemini. We can use customized solution for every person. The use of AI in surgery is a great solution. We have already seen its capabilities tested in research fields. Next. So what are the problems that we are trying to solve? The first problem is that we don't have customized solution to every patient due to a skewed doctor to patient ratio. And what is the second problem that we are trying to solve? Due to the high amount of skill required in surgeries and the very high chance of committing a mistake in very intense atmosphere, that is an operating theatre, there's a chance of committing mistakes, and it does happen. So every bit that we can do to decrease these mistakes can help in saving a person's life and their medical expenses and helping easy recovery of that person. So the objective is that doctors get the maximum amount of assistance and are able to conduct the surgeries and procedure without the fear of conducting mistakes or having an assurance that they are not very likely to commit a mistake. But who are the target audiences? Target audiences are surgeons and those in the surgery room, including scrub nurses and other technicians who practice in the surgery. The market trends show that augmented reality has an increased amount of viability, and its annual growth rate is estimated to reach 29.6 billion by 2024. We have already passed that rate. And its compound annual growth rate will reach 39.5%. Research by M. Birlo, P.J. Edwards, and Matthew Clarkson and Daniel Stoyanov, published in the Cornell University Journal, found an highly increased amount of research into these optical head-mounted devices for surgery in the period between 2014 to 2022. Why do we need such solutions to a very high skill demand field such as surgery? We have already seen one of its use. Its good example is an NHS surgery involving an AR goggle to operate on the spine of a male patient. It was used as a method to keep track of all the procedures that were done by the nurses and the doctors, and it was used to, and the data was used to compare to a pre-existing data set of similar procedures conducted by other doctors to minimize the risk of conducting any mistakes. So, what are the benefits of using AR in a operating theatre or integrating it into the medical field? First benefit is that it requires very less amount of infrastructural changes. AR devices are not devices like magnetic resonance images or CT scanners. They are small devices and they can be integrated very well into the hospital ecosystem without causing much disturbance. It can also be used in the educational field to teach young doctors who are practicing better amounts of precision by using augmented reality. A trainee doctor practicing with the help of augmented reality with all the data and procedures on right in front of his eyes is likely to learn better than someone who is doing it without the help of the machine. The market momentum based on the research is indicating that there is an increased use of such devices in experimental fields, and they are slowly coming into the commercialization phase. Trials done by University of California, San Diego, more than 20 procedures done, and the doctors reported increased effectiveness and less reduced risk of mistakes and injuries. I would like to end my presentation here. Thank you.
Thank you. Next. So who is next? Simanji. It's working? Okay, connect now.
AI-powered smart reality.
Others, okay. Yeah, you already know this.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Adarsh. I am going to presenting my company named Neuralens. आप एक थिंग्स आई कॉन्टेक्ट so are you comfortable in English or
Whatever you are comfortable with.
okay can you speak in Hindi?
Yes, whichever language you are comfortable with.
केमिति हम जदि आपण पाखे गोटे आयरमैन एआई जार्भिस ना सुनते कि एआई जार्भिस जे आयरमैन सब ऑपरेशन गुड़ा तो सब भीतर परफॉर्म करे एबिलिएशन जदि आपण को एभला गोटे किसी दिया जाउछि आपण को केमिति फील हो निश्चित बेटर फील हो ऑब्वियसली आजकल एआर विजन फील्ड जो मैंने भी अच्छा से प्राइसिंग बहुत फास्ट ऑफ ऑल हाई हो जाए माने जोड़ा कि मार्केट बिग प्लेयर माने एप्पल है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट है मेटा है एम प्राइस रेंज हाई हो जाए जनरल पॉपुलेशन माने यूज करिया यूज करिया भी और अफोर्ड करिया तांको पॉसिबल है पानी दैट्स व्हाई वी आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग एन इंडियन कंपनी विच एयर पावर बेस्ड स्मार्ट एयर हेडसेट कॉल्ड न्यूरोलेंस को आम मैंने एमती डिजाइन कर माने कि इंडियन आज वेल एज अदर फॉरेन कस्टमर माने जनरल कस्टमर मैंने अफोर्ड करेंगे बिकज आपड़ जदि मार्केट में किना जाते आजिकल दुनिया जहाँ अच्छी जे एयर हेडसेट किना जाते आप फेस करेंगे एप्पल विजन प्रो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हॉलोलेंस मेटा क्वेस्ट प्रो से माने ए फील्ड ऑलरेडी अच्छा बट किंतु प्रॉब्लम यह कि जे से लिमिटेड ऑडियंस को टारगेट करुँच जो भाया कि आप देखिए एप्पल ओनली ऑडियंस एडवर्टाइजमेंट मार्केटिंग फील्ड रू आसुँच अदर सेक्टर मानक जाऊना आउर प्राइसिंग भी देखिए एप्पल प्राइसिंग रोचे $3500 रू स्टार्ट हो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट आप देखा गले प्राइस से माइक्रोसॉफ्ट होलोस्कोप प्राइस देखा गले से भी स्टार्ट कर 3500 रू 5000 अप टू प्राइस जाए जोटा कि इम्पॉसिबल गोटे जनरल ऑडियंस को अफोर्ड कर जमीक कि अलग पिला माने कम्पिटिटर मैंने कहले कि जे एटा गोटे एमती रियल वर्ल्ड को वर्चुअल रियलिटी सहित एमती कनेक्शन करें हेडसेटा सहित आम बहुत सेक्टर रे रिवोल्यूशन आनीपर यहाँ इट्स एप्लिकेबल इन एवरी सेक्टर लगभग एवरी सेक्टर रे एप्लिकेबल होची लाइक आप देखिए जदि ट्रैवल सेक्टर रे आपणकर लगी जाऊँ कम ट्रावेल्स वर्चुअल जगह मान जो ट्रावेल एजेंसी मैंने जब यूज कर जगह मान वर्चुअल रियलिटी वर्चुअल रे फिल करे क्लाइंट मान बिफोर प्लान परचेस करला पूर्व जोटा क्लाइंट को एक्सपीरियंस दब क्लाइंट प्लान परचेस करिया खुद को भल लगे देन आप क्लॉथिंग फैशन सेक्टर रे जाउछन देन फैशन सेक्टर रे रिवोल्यूशन कर आम वर्चुअल ट्रायल दे पार कपड़ार आउ गोटे मॉल वर्चुअल टूर दे पार मॉल एगुड़ा सब थोड़ा ट्रायल वगैरह थी ओबियस कथा आर्किटेक्चर बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक केस रे भी एटा एप्लिकेबल जे बिल्डिंग डिजाइनिंग वगैरह इंटीरियर वगैरह 3D मॉडलिंग एगुड़ा यूज कर सो मेनी यूज अच्छी बट किंतु जो मैंने बिग प्लेयर मैंने रही से मैंने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो प्राइस अधिक हो जाऊँगी सहित से सर्टर ऑडियंस बेस को टार्गेट करते आम किंतु यहाँ को वाइडर ऑडियंस बेस को नौ जो समस्त अफोर्डेबल कर आर मार्केट रिसर्च हूँ करेन्ट टाइम आर पोटेंशियल अच्छी $150 मार्केट कैप धरुची बिकज बट आम जब आज किसी चेंजेस वगैरह करवा बाकी आधे आम जदि टेक्नोलोजी अफोर्डेबिलिटी कॉस्ट फैक्टर घटे पार मेन तो कॉस्ट फैक्टर घटे पार आउ किसी अलग फीचर्स वगैरह दे पार एआई असिस्टेंट रखिपर तो मार्केट कैप 2030 को 353 बिलियन टू भी अधिक एक्सीड कर खाली मार्केट गैप्स जो गुड़ा कि आज आई डिस्कस प्रीवियसली ओवर एक्सपेंसिव हो जाऊँगी आम ट्राए कर प्रोडक्टा को आम $500 रू $700 भर को आने लेकिन एवं जो मार्केट रिसेंट प्राइस अच्छे प्लस $1000 प्लस अच्छे जोटा को आम कम करके मार्केट गैप भर पशिपर बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी अफोर्डेबल प्राइस जोड़ा कि आज ही डिस्कस की आपको स्लाइड रे भी कही देती जो गुड़ा कि आम $300 रू $600 पर्यंत आनीपर इंडियन कंज्यूमर बेस आम यहाँ केमी पॉसिबल हम ना आम जदि लेबर आने इंडिया और चाइना बिकज अमेरिकार लेबर प्राइसटा बहुत अधिक अच्छे एज कंपेयर टू इंडिया और चाइना जब इंडिया और चाइना में डोमेस्टिकली मैन्युफैक्चर को करवा देन आम लेबर कस्ट रिड्यूस हो पार अलग मेटेरियलिस्टिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कस्ट वगैरह रिड्यूस हो पार जहाँद्वारा कि आम गोटे भल प्रडक्ट मार्केट को लॉन्च करें जोटार प्राइस 300 to 600 भितर एलाइन कर आधार आम फीचर्स वगैरह देपर लाइट स्टाइल कंफर्टेबल कर लोकल कस्टमर अनुसार आम कस्टमाइज करके लोकल कस्टमर ऊपर इम्पैक्ट कर सेल्स कर AI पावर स्मार्ट फीचर्स रखिए वॉइस रिकॉग्नाइजेशन कंट्रोल रखिए जो भाई कि आज डिस्कस कि आयरमैन जार्विस जो टाइप जो कम जहाँ टोनी स्टार्क जो कमांड दूसरा से कमांड काम करता से हिसाब से आम वॉइस कमांड गोटे फीचर्स इनक्लूड कर जहाँद्वारा इंडस्ट्री स्पेसिफिक सॉल्यूशन स्पेशल इंडस्ट्री स्पेशल डिजाइन में बन पारे हेल्थ इंडस्ट्री जोटा बनवा जा टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री काम के लगे टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री अलग बनव आम अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडस्ट्री कस्टमाइज करके मार्केट गैप रे बसी पार रेवेन्यू मॉडल दीटा प्रकार रेवेन्यू रोचे फास्ट ऑफ ऑल आम जो मेन प्रोडक्ट सेल करवा तादेर आमको प्रोडक्ट रेवेन्यू मिल प्लस आम तार जो सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह आम जो यूज कर हाँ सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह जो यूज कर आम गोटे मंथली $20 चार्ज करें जोटा रिकरिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन फीस हो बिजनेस पोटेंशियल नंबर्स यू कैन सी द नंबर्स की केते भीतर हम केते ग्रोथ कर पाइबे ओके थैंक यू सर
Okay, thank you very much. So we are aware of the what is the augmented reality. Okay, that's great.
Good evening everyone. My name is Maestro. I am a pre-final year student of Electronics and Telecommunication Department. I am here to express this is my new project, Eon VR console. This is my an innovation, a next generation project which will lead us to follow the virtual reality console and express some new ideas which will follow us to the next generation. Please next. Now we kind of have an idea about VR console, virtual reality console, which have some limitations. The other products which are new just now, they have some technical limitations like as usual high cost, expensive. Nobody uses. Very less people use it, but we cannot access. Regular people cannot access metaverse. Another limitation we have is screen door effect. Users can see fine lines between the pixels, which is screen door effect. I might not have mentioned it, but it is one of the limitations. Another limitation is field of view. Some of us might have seen in some clips of social media that people are using the VR console and they are tripping and falling. They might not have the cerebral coordination of their brains. They are unable to balance just because they are using the large product headset, the virtual console headset. They it kind of restricts their movement and we have disorientation. The motion gets sick, motion sickness. And another limitations are content availability. Limited content. We are not properly updated. It cannot get the software updated. proprietary software and platforms. We cannot lock in if we want to use for something. Let's say playing games, we cannot lock in the product, and it might disturb us while we are using it. Also, the privacy concerns. It is not directly connected to the business. Apart from limitations, the product of Eon, we are having the project Eon unique features. We have some advanced options. For example, while playing games, we can get notifications just like playing in our phone. We can get notifications. We can access some new options like which gives us benefits of wireless connectivity, which was the limitation of previous VR console. Now we are having wireless connectivity. We are having more interaction with it. We can command it just like we are commanding in Siri or some Google AI. We can command it, and also it's comfortable because it's just like a spectacle. Nothing more large or small, but it gives a smooth experience. Here are some technical specifications. For example, the display resolution 1832 cross 1920 per eye. OLED displays, LED displays 1832 per eye resolution. Field of view horizontal 110 degrees and vertical 90 degrees vertical, offering an immersive and expansive viewing experience. It is a greater view than the previous VR consoles. Memory, we have memory of 6 GB of GDDR6 RAM, ensuring smooth and lag-free performance, even if demanding VR applications. Greater connectivity, easily connected to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or anything else. Wired connectivity, also it supports wired connectivity, such like USB-C port for charging, data transfer, and connectivity for PCs and gaming consoles. Other connectivity options integrated audio jack, microphone array, and support for external sensors and accessories. Next slide, please. Gaming partners are Ubisoft, Bethesda Softworks. Entertainment partners are Disney, Warner Bros. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You are represented.
Thank you very much. Next, please.
Hi everyone, my name is Siman Saurabh and my branch is Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. I am telling about what is AR headset and its market capture. First I am telling about what is AR headset. AR headset is the wearable device that overlays digital information like image, text and 3D object onto the real world. Unlike virtual reality, which immerses users in completely digital environment. How it works? AR headset actually use cameras, sensors and AI powered software to analyze the environment and project digital content onto transparent or semi-transparent lenses. What is the key features? What is the key features of the AR headset? The high resolution and gestures and voice control, AI powered object recognition, light weight and economic design, and multi-industry application. And popular AR headsets are like Microsoft HoloLens, Magic Leap, Apple Vision Pro, and I'm telling you what is the introduction. Introduction is AR headset next generation augmented reality with our innovative AR headset. AR enhances the real world experience by overlaying digital information and visuals. What is the application of the AR headset? The application of the AR headset is gaming and entertainment, like enhancement of interactive gaming with digital overlays, and education and training, virtual reality, learning environment and real-time simulation. What is healthcare and manufacturing and engineering is the best capturing in AR headset. And what is the marketplace?
capability. Market in today's market, there is a notable gap in current AI technology that fails to address the diverse needs of users. Our AI headset targets gap by providing a seamless AI experience and tailored for gamers, professionals for various fields. Like what is the market growth and demand? Rising market value. The global AI headset are expected to reach $100 plus billion by 2030. With the CAGR of 30%. Expanding industries. AI is the revolution in gaming, retail, manufacturing, and remote work solution. And what is the key feature? Key feature AI headset boasts remarkable features including high resolution display that integrates perfectly with the real world. And with the advanced AI-driven object recognition, real-time assistance, gesture, and voice control capabilities. And the AI and the 5G integration, faster connectivity and AI-powered computing enhances the real-time AI and experience. Growing consumer adoption like with the Apple, Meta and Microsoft leading the way AI adoption is set to rise. Target audience and applications. Tech-savvy consumers like AR gaming entertainment and interactive experiences and business like AR for remote collaboration, training and manufacturing. What is the UI UX design? The user interfaces of AR headset is designed to be sleek and intuitive, featuring a minimalist layout with user-friendly content controls. User can enjoy customizable AR experience with seamless navigation. What is the business strategy by AR headset? It is the competitive price like affordable models of mass adoption, premium version for professionals, strategic partnership like collaborative with gaming, healthcare and enterprise sector, marketing and branding sector also we can use like influencer marketing, social media campaigns and live demos. What is the AI and UX enhancement like personalized and experience with the AI powered object recognition in intuitive UI. What is the future market trends of the AR headset? The future market trends mixed reality integration like AR and VR convergence offer immersive experiences like what is cloud based AR and smart glasses and wearables, enterprises and AR rooms. The competitive advantages. The competitive advantages AI headset are apart from existing competitors. Its unique blend AI power features like enhancement, battery life and lightweight design, real-time data processing ensure unmatched performance, making it go to the choice of the AI technology. What is the conclusion? AR headset is the marketable product. Yes, the AR headset market is the high growth sector with massive business potential. Whether targeting consumers or enterprises, a well-designed AR headset with AI-powered features, seamless UX, and strong marketing can dominate the market. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Anything else in there? Okay, let me just conclude. So, dear friends, you all have seen that our 6 participants, they have talked about the augmented reality. So they have given their viewpoint that what is augmented reality, and if a headset is there with the augmented reality, how does it works, how it is going to help in the medical activities and also in lot of other detection. You can use AI for data during the travel, you can AI for music, AI for detection of vegetables, many other lot of applications are there. So from this talk of 1 hour, we came to know about what are the different applications of the AI and augmented AR, augmented realities and other things. So thank you everyone, thank you for viewing all this. Thank you very much.